Hello everyone and welcome back to Christine's Phonics. How are you guys? And hello to Audrey. I know you noticed her, but when I'm at home, she always wants to be on my lap. And I hope you guys don't mind that. Anyways, now I am very excited today because we are finally going to start our very first lesson. Now, we are going to begin in learning the basic foundational sounds. Now, obviously, there are objectives of synthetic phonics, which is a segmenting or decoding, or blending, segmenting or decoding, and so on and so forth. But before we begin, there are only three things that I'd like to address first. Very common things that I always encounter to a lot of parents and also to a lot of new educators out there. Now, first, it's so important to learn what is synthetic phonics or what is phonics. Now, phonics is simply the ability to convert letters into sound. For instance, letter A makes a sound ah. And later on, we're going to go to more complex ones, which is learning the digraph, which is two letters, one sound. For instance, the long vowel sound A, which is an AI, makes the sound A, which is I am going to talk about that after we finish the basic ones. All right, I hope you guys are still there because this is the most important element of the class. All right, now let's begin with the foundational sounds. Foundational sounds are the letters in the alphabet, which is A to Z. Okay, letter A makes the sound apple. Letter B, bowl. Letter C, well done. Letter C makes the sound cat. D, the dog. Letter E, elephant. Letter F, fish. Letter G, gorilla. Letter H, hat. Letter I, igloo. Letter J, jelly. Letter K, cake. Oh. Letter L, lion. Letter M, mouth. Letter N, nose. O, octopus. Letter P, pirate. Letter Q, question. Letter R, ring. Letter S, sun. Letter T, train. Letter U, up. Letter V, van. Letter W, watch. And X for box. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zoo or zip. Alright, thank you so much again, and I hope you like this video and this video is informative for you guys. I'm sorry I have to go as well. Thank you and have a good lesson day. Bye. Oh no, rewind. I'm so sorry. Before I go, now for parents out there who might get really confused, oh, how am I gonna get these flashcards? You can actually buy flashcards in any bookstores, but you can also be resourceful. You can create your own flashcards. You can simply have a white cardboard, use a marker. That's it, right from A to Z. And I would encourage to do it in a lowercase, not in an uppercase. If you want to introduce uppercase and lowercase, that's also fine. All right. Also, with the corresponding vocabulary, you can just find used or old newspapers and cut out some of the pictures that is related to the sounds. Okay. Now, for the teachers out there, for all educators, now I've been using Twinkle Resources, which is down below. I am not affiliated with them or I'm not paid by them, but I really find the resources. They have a wide variety of selections that you can pick. You can decorate your classroom. You can use it for your private tutorial because trust me, aside from having my own job, I also do private tutorial. And way back then, I used to create my own materials and it does take your time. All right. Now, there are two ways to sign up. You can do a free sign up. You don't need to pay anything, but you can access quite limited access, right? Whilst if you do the premium, which is only $800 Hong Kong, you can for a year, not for 1 month, for actually really reasonable, because the selections, the choices that you can get from them, you can even create your own resources using their, what do you call, software or whatnot. Like really, it is a benefit. It's really beneficial for you, and it might be useful to all of you. Okay, thank you so much again. I hope it was useful to all of you, and I hope this episode is fun as well to all of you guys. And thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.